kids, and welcome back to Kid Bits. Today we're going to take a look at how 3D games look 3D on a 2D screen. But in order for us to dive into that, we need to know what is 2D and what is 3D. For that purpose, I have a piece of paper here. Now this piece of paper is flat, and so it kind of only has two dimensions, not like 2D. The D stands for dimension. Now, the first dimension is the width and the second dimension is the height. 2 dimensions. For 3D, we have 3 dimensions. So we have the width, the height, and the depth. And that is the difference. 2D and 3D. Now a video game is, like I said, is not really 3D. Like there's no real depth to it. It's all flat. But it looks 3D. So here I have a piece of paper and I have a square, which is obviously 2D, but I can make it appear to be 3D. At least from one perspective, the one that I'm looking at. And so for that, I just have to add a few lines to it. Pardon my art, I'm a terrible artist. But now, it kind of looks 3D. The graphics card does the same thing. Now, obviously, in a video game, nothing is just still, but it actually moves around and twists and turns. So if we would want to make this cube appear to be turning, kind of like this, I would have to draw like 100 cubes, just in a slightly different, from a slightly different perspective, as if it would be turning. Now, that's exactly what the graphics card does. Just way faster. Like, the graphics card is like a super fast artist who just draws and draws and draws and draws and draws and draws and draws. As you look in your video game around and you see all these beautiful things like trees and buildings and stuff like that, and you walk around and you run around and do all your things, like the graphics card like redraws every single scene from your perspective, so that every time you look at the screen, it looks like as if you are actually moving through the game. And thus, it looks 3D on a 2D screen. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Kid Bits. If you like this video, then find in the caption below our YouTube link and like and subscribe.